Welcome to YouTube channel Beat English A Journey from Land to Sky. Describe a time when you had to sing a song. You should say, where were you? What did you sing? How did you feel?
Well,
I am going to tell you about a time when I had to sing a song. As you know that a song is a form of musical expression that often used to convey emotions, tell stories, or celebrate special moments. Now let me tell you about a time when I sang a song. As one time, I had to sing a song at my cousin's birthday party. It was a small family gathering at my aunt's house, and everyone was in a cheerful mood. My aunt suddenly asked me to sing a song for the birthday boy. At first, I felt a bit nervous because I had never sung in front of others before, but I decided to go for it. I chose to sing a simple birthday song, Happy Birthday, but I added a fun twist to it by singing slowly and clapping along, so everyone could join in. Surprisingly, everyone smiled and clapped along with me, and that made me feel more confident. By the end of the song, I felt really happy and proud of myself for doing something I was initially scared to do. Overall, it turned out to be a nice moment, and it made the birthday even more special for my cousin. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Beat English.